This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Tuesday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So yesterday, US Tech or NASDAQ 100 was just selling off, and the US30 was just going up. So that was very crazy, and we took some few losses, which is fine. It's part of the game. So let's start with the NASDAQ and see what we can see or see what we can expect from today's analysis. So let's see. Oh, I think my network was down. So since it's still loading, let me show you. I have a VIP group which is one-time fee. You pay once, then you're done. It's only $100 plus you get the course where you can learn from zero to a pro within 60 days of it's included in this pack, but I'm going to make it separate when time goes on. So I think my chart is loaded now. So I will just start with 4 hours or even a daily time frame. Why? Because when we see this sell-off, sometimes all those support or resistance, they no longer work. So we have to go back to our basics and start from a daily or a bigger time frame where we can see what we can get from this week movement. So but I hope maybe you watched my previous video yesterday. If you did not watch, please go back, watch those videos. They will make everything easy for you, because we'll just here is just a continuation of whatever that I have done yesterday or maybe days before yesterday. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe, share, like, and comment if you have any question. So to contact me, check my descriptions, guys. So don't just go around asking about my contacts. People, they will give you the wrong information. So the best thing is to go on my description, then you will find everything. So here is a daily time frame, guys. So on my daily analysis, I can see that I also shared this in my group. You can see that, okay, it seems like the market is going to come around this support and push up, but we are not sure about that. So what we're going to do here is just to wait for the market to react around this area. Maybe we also saw a support around this area. Maybe NASDAQ will push up. So but to be safe, sometimes you can place pending orders, buy pending orders. Maybe the market will just get you when it's going up, or maybe you can just wait. Sometimes we don't have to chase the market. I know we lost yesterday, so we don't have to chase the market. We have to wait for the market to come around this area, then we can have a nice buy, you see. So we don't have to force everything here or anything here. So we just have to wait for the market to do its thing. Then we can say, okay, if the market is here, we are just looking for only buy opportunities, unless if maybe the market is going to come here and break this area, then we can say, okay, now the market changed our direction, now the market is about to sell, even if we already have this sell-off here. Why? Because this sell-off is not a new thing. You can see we always have these things. It's just that sometimes it can get us off guard when we're not ready for that. So but if you place your stop loss, you'll be safe. We lose some, we gain some. Hope you understand. So I won't waste your time on this one. I already told you that you can just wait or do your pending order. If you don't wait, do your pending order. Then if the market breaks here, then we can look for a sell. But at the moment, we are still having this support here. You see, we're having this support. So it shouldn't be a bad day just because maybe we lost some, they made profit, so they're happy, so it's fine. So we also have to be happy. It's the same way when we make profits, we should be the same, because when you make profit, you should know that, okay, one day I'm going to lose, and if I lose, I must be in a good state of mind so that you don't overtrade, you don't over risk, you still follow your self-discipline. All these things that I'm talking about here, you can find them in my VIP group, guys. Come join us, you can get everything. So let's go straight to US30. On US30, guys, let's see. My network today is very slow as always. So USD yesterday just gained, guys, but I see that we saw another sell-off. You can see this is a sell-off, but let's do the actual analysis and see exactly what we can expect. So since last week we were unable to have that nice entry on US30. Why? Because we have these crazy moves. We never had like a rejection or retest where maybe we can buy. The market was just pushing up. So, and it's not safe. You know that it's not safe just to rush in the market. We don't have a fear of missing out. You just have to control that. So let's see. Let's see. I hope you can see this, guys. So here you can see that here the market was just playing around. So last week but the market was here, we saw the breakout but we never saw any retest, so that's why we missed the market around this zone. We thought this maybe is going to be our resistance, but the market just pushed higher. But I see that maybe this area can be important at times like this. You can see this can be another zone where we can say maybe it's go. I also talked about something like this yesterday. You can see this area, maybe the market will bounce here, maybe then, but here just because it's the second time we have to do nothing, wait for the market to come for the third time, then we can say we can buy. Even here maybe it's going to be our new resistance, so the market can come there, so it means we have to do nothing here. Then if the market comes for the second time, it's where we know for the third time we're going to sell. Here we're going to buy, something like that. So the market can play around like that. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's jump to gold. But before that, I jump to gold. I hope maybe you can see that here we don't have any choice. We just have to wait for the market to do its thing. Even if maybe you think it's a buy, let it go so that we can confirm this area. You see, if it doesn't, it means maybe it can go lower around these areas, so maybe the market will come again to something like that. So it means we have to wait for the market to create the structure that we can rely on. So we don't have any structure at the moment. It means we have to wait. If maybe it comes for the third time here, something like this, we're going to buy here because it's the second time we have to do nothing. For the third time, it's where we can say, okay, this is a structure which is confirmed. We have an evidence that the market just bounced there several times. You see? So you don't have to confuse yourself. So let's go to gold. So guys, you can see that we wake up early for you for this analysis. I do this for you, so don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So if you want more of Kenzo, you know what to do. Check my description. Just be in my group. Talk to me. You can get that help that you've been looking for. I don't think your mentor has some time to do the daily analysis like me. I wake up early every day doing this for you, and it's for free, guys. If you need some documents, free documents for this strategy that I'm using, it's also for free. Just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. I'll just give you. But to be in my group, to get those like extra help, it's where you have to pay $100 to be in my group, which is very cheap because it's just once off. So here on gold is something like this. So if you still remember, we had something like this here, which the market created, but the overall picture is the market was just going up. I think maybe if it does come down, it will come around this area before it can push us up. If that doesn't happen, it means we can see the gold breaking this area, maybe going lower. But I don't see that happen anytime soon. But since we are on this uptrend, let's just focus on this uptrend. And when the market comes here, let's look for those bullish candlesticks. Then we can take our nice buys. Then we can call it a nice trade. So we don't have to. Here, obviously, I don't look for any sell. Why? Because we are on a very nice uptrend, so we don't have to look for any sell. Let's just wait for the market to come down and push up. So let's call this a day. I will just talk to you tomorrow, guys. And I also have another part 3 for NASDAQ, how to master NASDAQ. Maybe I will do it later or tomorrow or on the weekends, because on weekends I'm very, so during the week I'm very busy. So I hope maybe we can complete that maybe on weekends. So this is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe, smash that subscribe button, guys, and also like. Let's call this a day. I hope you're going to have a very nice trading day. Bye.